Luxor. Mandalay Bay. Oh, Luxor and the Egyptian. I just love Egyptian stuff. Whoa. I love Egyptian stuff. Huh? Oh yeah. Holy heck, this thing is cool. I like this casino just because I like this Egyptian stuff.
It's not up there?
No.
Hey, you won't let me do anything fun. This is,
Yeah.
look at how close that is. I won't even get hurt.